Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to clear cache and cookies on X. So let's go to X, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Now in the side menu, let's go to settings and privacy, and as you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section accessibility, display and languages, and now let's go to data usage. And finally, under the section with your storage, you will see two different options, and those are media storage and web storage. So media storage is responsible for keeping your photos, GIFs and videos that you review on X, so you can clear that. And also web storage, which keeps you logged into your X account. And if you select this option, clear all web storage, this may log you out of X because it clears all cookies. So if you want to clear something, you want to simply tap on it and then confirm at the bottom side of the screen by again tapping this option. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.